And of course, after 2017, I've been traveling mainly to Muslim countries. And yes, I did receive invitation from several non-Muslim countries. But the closest that accepted it was in 2020 when I got an invitation from Canada. When one of the Muslim MPs in Toronto, he invited me and said that Justin Trudeau was going to be the chief guest, and he wanted me also to be one of the chief guests. And it was supposed to be organized in April 2020. And because it was from the government side and from Justin Trudeau, I had accepted the invitation, but unfortunately COVID-19 came and most of the countries in the world started being blocked from March onwards. So by the time April came, the date that we were supposed to have the conference, it got cancelled, and that was the last that, of course, I received invitation from many non-Muslim countries. But even there was a country, I won't name it, that gave me invitation from the head of state, from the president, but my advisors told me it's not safe to go there. Even though I got an invitation from the head of state, please don't go because they may be close to India, so I had to politely refuse. But normally, if I accept an invitation, it should be from the head of state, and I doubt the UK head of state will invite me.